Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection. Today we're going to be doing just a couple of things. I've been away. I was at a wedding in West Palm Beach. My nephew got married, so I was away for a couple of days. I do apologize to my subscribers, and I also would like to welcome my new subscribers at the same time. I wanted to go over my Inktober and Gentober and also, what's the other one? Pinktober. Oh, Inktober. Inktober, Pinktober, and Gentober. So, I was trying to catch up. This is my book for the month. I was trying to catch up. So I've got, I have to date these. Excuse me, I have a couple of sniffles. I was looking at my book. I don't like when I don't paint them because they're more vibrant when I paint them. So later on I'm going to go ahead and add some color to this. But for now, this one I didn't miss. This is the 7th. And, or did I miss it? I may have missed that one. Alright, and then this one's the 9th. Love the way this came out. This is the 9th for Inktober. Gentober's in the front and Inktober's in the back. This is the 10th. This is the 10th for Inktober, and it was pattern. I have numbers in here from 1 through 12. This one was well received. This is 11, Jewel. So I'm going to be doing more jewelry, just to show you how I did that. Flakes, or snow rather. I didn't know what to do with that. This is 12, and this one was candy. So I put a bottle on a ledge, have some candy right here, and she's the mermaid's inside the mermaid candy wine, trying to get out to grab the candy. At least in my head. This was a dragon. This is where I left off. So October 13th was beehive. This is my beehive. And again, if you want to see any of these, just let me know. This one's not recorded. This one's number 13. And then this one is ash. This one is fairy, number 14. This was number 14, and that's overgrown. So I put overgrown teeth. This one is Egyptian. This one is legend. And this one is nature. Put some water, a rose, flowers, sun. You can see what's there. And then I left off here in wild. Now, I don't have anything planned for wild, so I don't know that I'm going to be drawing anything today. But I do want to do something for Halloween. So I had purchased this before I left for the wedding. Excuse me, I'm a little sick. I wanted to do use one of my printables to do a Halloween book. So I may do that today and post it tomorrow. But I did want to show you, this was on sale at Michael's. I got it for half price. I got the stamps as well. See how beautiful? So I definitely want to make something for Halloween. I want to make maybe a small traveler's notebook, or maybe some envelopes, something. Let me see if I have the... Here it is. This is what I got as for the stamps. So I'll be using these. So I'll do that today and then post it probably tomorrow. So that's that. I got the 7 Crows from Kate Kessler. I believe she's Kate Smith on Facebook. So I wanted to say thank you to Kate. I have to read it and then post a review. So that's the other thing that I have to do. And then finally, I received Karen Campbell's official guide on how to draw and find your style. So I just wanted to, oh, I didn't turn on my lights. Duh. Sorry guys. It's been a while for me. So this is Karen Campbell's book. There's tons to see. I'm going to go through this quickly. How to find my style, supplies, easy peasy, the value scale, which is that. I like the layout of the book. Let's try that circle again. This is what you can practice with. And practice always makes pretty. Optional supplies. This is a, I have this sharpener. This is a Prismacolored pencil sharpener. Copics, information on some Copics, on how to use them. C1 through black. Sharpie. Eyes front facing. Or eyes facing front. She shows you how to make the eyes. And for you to be able to make your own eye, you know, like an eye that you want to put on anything that you draw, you really just have to practice it so that you can develop muscle memory. Turn on one more light. It's dark today. It is going to rain, so it is pretty dark in my studio. Let's see if I can turn on some overhead lighting. I could still see some shadows there, but oh, it's better. Okay. All right. These are the eyebrows. Eyebrows again, showing you the different eyebrows. Noses. It's similar to the second book that she put out, which I have. Lips. Another way of doing lips. A fairy. Ears facing front. So she took each part of the face and displayed it on the book, breaking it down in parts, which is excellent. See how she breaks everything down for you. I bought this in support of Karen. It's always good to support your fellow artists. I remember when she drew this on YouTube. This is hair. I think the most difficult for everyone is hair. See here, she shows you how to highlight, like, see the line here and it goes backwards. You see how it's light there? And then that's how you have to look at things. You kind of have to break it down. You look at it first, you break it down, and then you go ahead and sketch it out. This way you don't cover over your highlights. See there? Mixed media. More hair. I remember her. She was on Pinterest, so I don't know how she got this on there, but I guess she must have gotten permission. But anyway, I do have her in my, I drew her. This is her. She broke her down in her hair in different pieces, different areas, sections, in different sections. And if you break it down in different areas, in different pieces, or sections, you are able to draw better. This is telling you about shading. This is all highlights and shades, shadows. Highlights and shadows. And then I think the thing that she has new here is the hands, because in the other book she never did hands. So that's what I'll be practicing, is hands. Fashion face style front facing. Me personally, I can't get into this scribble. I like things nice and neat. But if that's your style, then go for it and practice. Okay. I remember her. I did one of those. It's interesting when you do one and then you see it again. You want to do it again to see how well you did with the second one. Eyes and eyelash. This is whimsical style front facing. I like some whimsy, not a lot, but sketchy style front facing. So this is, I guess this is the sketchy style. So you ladies now have a book to practice with. Oh, this is Tim Holtz tissue paper, which is good for collaging or any mixed media. Then you can draw on top after you put your, not the gesso, but the, what do you call that glue? Mod Podge. Alright, and this is the side view. She has enough in here to keep you busy and keep you practicing. Plus she has an arts school, awesome art school. You could join one of her clubs. She has from beginners to intermediate, and I don't know what she calls her last one, but advanced. For lips, side lips. Ears. That looks like a baby in your womb when it starts to grow. But it's an ear. Side view. 1/4 and 3/4 view. Scribble style 3/4 portrait. Look, she's got a fairy ear. I don't know if that's put on there or her ear is really like that. Magical and fairy. See, I can't get into this scribble. Dark skin, fun fab style, 3/4 portrait. This is nice because you have your book. Also, to practice, you can take some tracing paper and trace over what you want, and then just practice that over and over again. And this way, you create muscle memory. You put a transparency over this, trace it, and, you know, keep doing it that way. And then try to do it on your own, just by looking. See, these are the books. I have this middle one. How to draw more fun fab faces. This is 1, this is 2. I don't have fellas. I have the swatch. I don't have the mixed media, and then I have the new one. I don't have any of her coloring books. And that's it. That's the back of it. And she signs all of her copies. So right there. So it's a book. It's a good book for beginners. And yeah, for beginners. So go out and get your copy. Give her a thumbs up for the effort in making the book. And I will see you soon. This video is short and sweet because I'm going to now record the Halloween book that I'm going to be making. I don't know if I'm going to make a book, a journal, a traveler's notebook, envelopes, or what I'm going to do. But you'll have something for tomorrow. Okay? Thank you for your patience. Welcome to all of my new subscribers, and I will see you shortly. Take care.